Rated weapon on aircraft. Please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. During takeoff and landing, put the back of your seat upright and keep the shoes on. Before we take off, store your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened during taxi, takeoff, and landing. To fasten, bring the two ends of the seatbelt together until you hear a click. Tighten it by pulling on the strap. If you're in business class, pull the shoulder strap to fasten your seatbelt. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. We recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. Whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on, infants should be lifted from the fastenet and secured with an infant seatbelt. If there is a change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop in front of you. Pull the mask down sharply. Place it over your mouth and nose, and breathe as usual. Secure your mask first before helping others. Please note that the oxygen mask of this aircraft does not come with a bag. There are several emergency exits in this aircraft. Take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit, which may be behind you. Count the rows of seats to the closest exit, in front and behind you. In the unlikely event of an emergency, or when you hear a command, brace, assume the brace position. If you can reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and place it on the back of the front seat. Place your hands on top of your head. Keep your feet flat on the floor and heels towards your seat. If you can't reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and lean forward as far as you can. Place your hands on top of your head. If you're in business class, assume the brace position by lowering your head and placing your hands on your lap. In an emergency evacuation, floor level lighting will lead you to your nearest exit. Before using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on the life vest, remove it from the plastic cover and slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest only at the exit door and step into the raft. Life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. During these times, charging your electronic devices is also not allowed. If you're not using your device, it must be held in your hand or placed in the seat pocket in front of you. If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from adjusting the seat and ask the cabin crew for assistance. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the charging
Mending ke sana menurut.
Want to stay connected? Serve will send a text message with Singapore Airlines in-flight Wi-Fi and mobile services. To connect, simply select the Criswell network. Launch your web browser or scan the QR code on the back of your boarding pass to display the Wi-Fi portal. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available for premium class passengers, PPS Club, and Criswell members on selected aircraft. Enter your last name, seat number, and email address in the complimentary access section to connect. To purchase Wi-Fi, select a price plan, make your payment, and get connected. You can also send and receive text messages or use data roaming to surf the web on your mobile phone with our in-flight mobile network provided by Singapore Aircraft or Aero Mobile. For more details, refer to Criswell magazine in e-library on the Singapore Air mobile app. Stay in touch with Singapore Airlines.